Are you about to spend $200 on an Apple TV 4K? Stop right now. Seriously, do not hit that buy button. Because behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple is preparing a hardware shift that is going to make every single streaming device on the market today look like a primitive toy. We are talking about a total transformation of the living room, powered by silicon so fast it rivals modern laptops, an operating system overhaul driven by generative artificial intelligence, and hardware upgrades that fix the biggest complaints users have had for the last 5 years. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the undisputed king of premium streaming. It is fast, clean, devoid of annoying home screen ads, and integrates effortlessly into the Apple ecosystem. But let's be honest with each other. Over the last 2 years, the streaming landscape has drastically changed. High bitrate audio formats, interactive smart home hubs, cloud gaming, and system-level artificial intelligence have turned simple streaming boxes into full-fledged home servers. And if you think the current Apple TV is enough, what Apple is about to drop next is going to completely change how you view streaming hardware forever. In this video, we are unpacking every single verified rumor, supply chain leak, and insider report about the next-generation Apple TV 4K. We are breaking down the exact processor upgrade, the revolutionary new smart home features, the price strategy, and most importantly, the exact release window so you know whether to wait or buy now. If you want the absolute best home theater experience possible, stay tuned, because what Apple has planned is mind-blowing. To understand why the upcoming Apple TV 4K is such a massive leap forward, we first have to look at what is happening under the hood. For years, Apple has recycled older iPhone processors for its streaming box. The current model runs on the A17 Bionic chip. While that chip is still vastly superior to anything inside a Fire TV Stick or a Roku Ultra, it is starting to hit its limits when it comes to next-generation features. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is set to break this tradition by jumping directly to a modified A17 Pro or A18 series chip. Now, you might ask why a streaming box needs that much power just to play a 4K Netflix stream. The answer comes down to 3 massive words: local artificial intelligence. Apple is rolling out Apple Intelligence across its entire ecosystem, and tvOS is about to get the biggest AI upgrade in television history. Imagine turning on your TV and speaking to Siri in natural, conversational language. No more awkward button presses or searching letter by letter with a remote. You can simply say, "Show me that sci-fi movie from the 90s where the main character wears a red jacket and travels through time," but skip the scene with the diner. Within a split second, the new Apple TV processes that request locally on the device without sending your private data to a cloud server, and starts playing the exact scene you requested. This upgraded silicon also unlocks real-time AI video upscaling and frame interpolation. If you watch a lot of older content, live sports, or compressed streaming broadcasts, the new chip will actively analyze every single frame in real time, removing compression artifacts, sharpening textures, and enhancing color depth without making the image look artificial or over-sharpened. It essentially turns standard definition or low bitrate 1080p feeds into near-native 4K quality effortlessly. And then there is gaming. Apple has been quietly pushing console-quality games onto the iPhone and Mac, featuring hardware-accelerated ray tracing in titles like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed. With the new processor inside the next Apple TV, your streaming box officially doubles as a legitimate home gaming console. Combined with full support for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X controllers, Apple is positioning this device to take a massive bite out of the casual gaming market. Now, let's talk about the hardware changes, because Apple is addressing a feature that users have been begging for since day one: an integrated camera and smart display integration. Supply chain reports indicate that Apple has been testing prototypes of an Apple TV hardware setup that either includes a built-in FaceTime camera or offers a seamless, dedicated magnetic mount accessory designed specifically for your living room television setup. With FaceTime built directly into tvOS, your television transforms into the ultimate video communication center. You can take family calls on a massive screen, participate in work meetings from the couch, or use center stage technology that automatically tracks you as you walk around the room during a conversation. But it goes way beyond just video calls. This camera integration opens the door for gesture controls. Imagine sitting on your couch and simply holding up your hand to pause a movie, swiping in the air to skip a track, or making a quick motion to lower the volume without ever reaching for the physical remote control. This brings us to another huge breakthrough coming with the next model, Smart Home Supremacy. The current Apple TV acts as a HomeKit and Thread border router, but the next generation version is taking home automation to an entirely new level. With upgraded ultra-wideband technology built directly into the box and the Siri remote, your Apple TV will know exactly where you are in the room. Picture this: as you walk into your living room with your iPhone or Apple Watch, the TV automatically recognizes who just entered. The home screen instantly switches to your personalized profile, displaying your specific watch lists, customized wallpaper, and tailored recommendations. If your partner walks into the room and sits next to you, the system intelligently creates a joint profile, highlighting movies and shows that both of me and you enjoy based on your viewing history. Furthermore, the new smart home dashboard in tvOS will allow you to view multiple live security camera feeds in picture-in-picture mode without interrupting your movie. If someone rings your smart doorbell, a subtle, transparent overlay appears in the top corner of your screen showing a live 4K feed of your front porch. You can speak to the visitor directly using the remote's microphone, unlock the smart door lock with a quick click, and resume your show seamlessly without losing your place. Let's address the audio engine, because home theater enthusiasts are in for a massive treat. The current Apple TV already supports Dolby Atmos and spatial audio when paired with AirPods or HomePods. However, the next model introduces advanced multi-channel spatial audio capabilities designed for third-party AV receivers and soundbars. Apple is working on a proprietary audio calibration algorithm that utilizes the microphones in your iPhone to map the precise acoustics of your living room. By taking a quick 5-second scan of your room, the Apple TV automatically calculates acoustic reflections, wall distances, and furniture layout, tuning the audio output in real time. Whether you are using a $10,000 home theater system or a simple 2-channel soundbar, the audio experience will be dynamic, crystal clear, and perfectly balanced for your specific room shape. And for nighttime watchers, there is an incredible new feature called Enhanced Dialogue Precision. How many times have you been watching an action movie where the dialogue is a quiet whisper, but the explosions are deafeningly loud? You end up constantly writing the volume button on your remote just to survive the movie. The new chip actively separates human vocal frequencies from background sound effects and musical scores in real time. It compresses the dynamic range of loud action sequences while boosting vocal clarity, so you hear every word whispered on screen without waking up the entire household. Now, let's turn our attention to the physical design and the Siri remote. Will Apple completely redesign the iconic aluminum box? According to industry sources, the overall footprint will remain sleek, compact, and minimalist, but with key thermal improvements. Because the new processor generates more performance, Apple has engineered a completely silent passive cooling architecture using recycled aluminum heatsinks, ensuring the device remains cool under heavy load without needing a noisy internal fan. As for the Siri remote, Apple is fixing the biggest annoyance customers have reported for years: losing the remote between the couch cushions. The next generation Siri remote is expected to feature built-in precision finding technology powered by an updated ultra-wideband chip. Instead of vaguely beeping from somewhere in the room, your iPhone screen will display a precise directional arrow guiding you right to the exact inch where the remote is hiding, accompanied by tick feedback as you get closer. Additionally, Apple is experimenting with solar-assisted charging or improved battery efficiency for the remote, meaning you will only need to charge it once or twice a year via USB-C. The buttons are also getting subtle tactile updates, featuring a more robust click mechanism and improved backlight sensors that automatically light up the directional pad when you pick up the remote in a dark room. So, how much is all of this cutting-edge technology going to cost you? Apple made a huge statement with the previous generation by dropping the starting price down to $129 for the Wi-Fi model and $149 for the Wi-Fi plus Ethernet model with extra storage. This price drop made the Apple TV far more competitive against premium streaming sticks from competitors. For the upcoming 2026 model, insider leaks suggest Apple will maintain this highly aggressive pricing strategy. Apple realizes that the streaming box itself is not just a hardware sale. It is the central gateway to their high-margin services division, including Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness+, and iCloud subscription plans. By keeping the entry-level price around the $129 to $149 mark, Apple ensures maximum adoption, pulling millions of new users into the ecosystem while crushing the competition. There are also whispers of a potential secondary model, an ultra-low-cost streaming dongle or puck designed to compete directly with budget Fire Sticks and Chromecast devices in the $40 to $60 range. While Apple has traditionally shied away from cheap plastic dongles, a budget-friendly entry point would allow them to dominate markets worldwide and aggressively expand their Apple TV Plus subscriber base. Now comes the most important question of all: when can you actually get your hands on the new Apple TV 4K? Looking at Apple's historical release cycles, hardware announcements for home devices typically occur during their spring special events or alongside their major autumn hardware launches. Given the production schedules and supply chain activity, analysts point toward a release window in the coming months. This brings us to the ultimate decision you have to make today: should you wait for the next generation model or buy the current Apple TV 4K right now? Here is the honest truth. If you currently own a first-generation or second-generation Apple TV 4K, or if you are using built-in smart TV apps that are slow, clunky, and filled with tracking ads, upgrading today will still feel like a night and day difference. The current A17 model is incredibly fast, stable, and offers pristine 4K video playback with zero lag. However, if you already own the latest 2022 model, or if you are deeply invested in smart home automation, high-end mobile gaming, and future-proof artificial intelligence features, waiting for the 2026 model is hands down the smartest move you can make. The jump in processor capability, the integration of local AI, the revolutionized smart home hub features, and the updated Siri remote make the upcoming release one of the biggest leaps in the history of home entertainment. The living room is the ultimate battleground for tech giants, and Apple is playing to win. By combining unmatched processing power, privacy-focused artificial intelligence, seamless smart home control, and pristine audio-visual fidelity, the 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just a streaming box. It is the brain of your modern home.